Holy Grail.
Hello guys, my name is Sukumar. SK Rakas is my YouTube channel. If you like my videos, like it, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks so much. Okay, today we'll see some more interesting websites that will give more entertainment in our day-to-day life. Let's see the first website, that is staggeringbeauty.com. What does this site? See, however I'm moving the mouse, like that this toy is dancing. Okay, see, if I move the mouse to the right side, it will drag towards the right side. At the same time, if I move it to left, it will dance to the left. If I shake it vigorously, what will happen? Let's see. This will give us some jerk. Okay, so you can prank to your children or your friends, something like that. Okay, and we'll go to the next site, that is fliptext.org. This is very useful for the people who keep on texting more and more to their friends. Let's see what is this site. So if I type something here, suppose if I type my name here, my YouTube channel name, SK Rakas, what it is doing, it is flipping my text. So you can simply copy this one, and in your Facebook or in your Twitter, you can paste this one, so that everybody will think that, oh, this is something different. So that you can make some different kind of approach here. So fliptext.org, this is also one kind of website. Let's move on to third site, that is GIFprint. Nowadays you might have heard about GIF images, right? See what this GIFprint will do. Suppose if you have taken any video which is in a GIF image, if you want to take those screenshots in a printable format, so that you can do with this website. If you have that video, just upload it here and it will do the animation, and it will create that animated images step by step, frame to frame it will create, so that you can take that images in print format. If you print it, how it will show here in the window, you can see that cat is slowly waking up and moving fast. So if you turn on each page, each photo, it will be like a moving it's like an animation. So this kind of strategy you can use here. And we'll go to the next one, that is Amazon Price. What this site will do? See, suppose yesterday you have seen that one mobile phone which is around $50, and you don't know when the price may up or down. Suppose if you wanted to get notified whether the particular product price has come down, so you can register to this camel.com website, so that whatever the products that you will choose, this site will notify you through the mail whenever the product price comes down. Suppose it came to $45, that a mobile which we have selected. When it came to $45, this website will give you a update with that updated price. Okay, this is about camel.com website. Okay, let's move on to Color Wheel website. This is called color.adobe.com. See, for the people who wanted to build websites or who are in photography, so that those people can taste these various kind of colors here. See, suppose if I drag this one, all the colors will change. So whatever the colors that you want to pick, so that you can automatically select here. See, suppose if you want to pick this color, what you have to do, just suppose this hexa code is there. Hexa code is nothing but the 6 alphanumeric characters. This color represents the particular code. This code represents a particular color. So if you want to use that particular color, you have to copy this hexa code and paste in your web code or something, whatever you do. Like in Photoshop also you can do the same thing. And the another one website is called accountkiller.com. If suppose you have more and more social networking sites, but if you wanted to delete some of them, but you cannot delete all one by one, right? So all websites are displayed here. All social networking websites are displayed here in a single page. Suppose if I want to delete my 2 account, so just click on delete 2 account. what will happen? This will remove complete database of my Dio account. Like that, this site will work. Okay. Next, we'll go to the most funny website, that is called cat-bounce.com. Here in this site, what will happen? Cats are keeping flying. Okay. But if you wanted to catch one cat and make it to throw out, just like this, throw it out. You can play with the cats however you want. So you can play like, no cat should come down. Like that, you can play here. So these kind of games we have, and these kinds of variety websites we have, so that you'll be having more and more fun. Okay. Thanks so much guys for watching. Please subscribe to my SK Rockers YouTube channel. If you like my video, please like it and share it. Thank you so much.